Decision that could impact tens of thousands of asylum seekers. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals today halted the controversial Remain in Mexico policy.
New at 10, 9 on your side's Luzdelia Caballero joins us now. And Luzdelia, what does this mean for people on both sides of the border?
Pat, Val, the program, officially called Migrant Protection Protocol, kept asylum seekers in Mexico while claims were processed. With today's decisions, people will now be allowed to wait for those court dates in the U.S.
At ports all along the southern border, there are literally thousands of people that are pooled waiting to be interviewed.
As many as 60,000 people are waiting in Mexican border towns for their asylum hearings. Margot Cowan, a Pima County public defender who runs the Keep Tucson Together pro bono clinic, says many of those people are running away from horrific circumstances.
We interview people every day whose families have been slaughtered, children have been raped, and our laws have been created to protect people from such atrocities.
Today's ruling by the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals puts the policy keeping those people south of the border on hold, at least temporarily. Cohen says at this point it's not clear how the ruling will play out in practice.
Well, I don't think that there's any danger that people are going to rush the border, but I do think that people certainly are well within their rights to present themselves and declare that they want to pursue an asylum claim in the United States and not be required to remain outside of the country.
Processing could take a long time, though, if asylum seekers decide to rush the ports, especially since the administration limits the number of migrants it screens each day. Those who are admitted to the U.S. could potentially be detained in U.S. facilities while they wait for their immigration court hearings.
Cowan tells KGUN 9 she expects the Trump administration and Department of Homeland Security to appeal this ruling. They could ask for an emergency hearing in the U.S. Supreme Court. Luzdelia Caballero, KGUN 9, on your side.
Luzdelia, thank you. The